Hello, my name is Sina Gulshan, and today I will be recording my food recall presentation. The food recall is on Trader Joe's on the Southwest style sweet potato saute bowl. That the reason was because of undeclared milk and egg. And the people who helped me with this group project were my friend Nima, my brother Riaz, my friends Adi, Chelsea, Ariane, and Kylie. So the reasons behind the food call was due to undeclared milk and egg allergens in the dressing. It was not declared on the label that the undeclared milk and eggs were there. And it's very important to realize that people who are allergic to milk and eggs run the risk of serious or life-threatening allergic reaction if they buy or consume this product. Now I'm going to talk about how the food recall was handled. So Trader Joe's, after the food recall happened, issued a statement and said, fortunately, that there were no illnesses or allergic reactions that were reported to the date, and that all of the products that have been removed or destroyed from the food recall, and that they also emphasized customers who did buy those products would return to get a full refund. Food safety is something that is very relevant, especially in a situation where something like this would happen. So possible disease symptoms would be anyone who eats the contaminated product and shows allergic symptoms should urgently seek medical attention as soon as they can. There are many ways to control this hazard by checking the ingredients to make sure that there's no milk or egg that the people who have lactose intolerance or allergies can get harmed by. For the people who distribute, to double check the packaging before it's sent out, and to let family and friends know of the ingredients that they are currently having, because some of family members could also be lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant people are affected by the manufacturers putting the announced milk that could cause indigestion, and they can also vomit. That takes us to consumer and health issues, and the consumers could have severe allergic issues and also intolerance if they are lactose intolerant. And also undeclared milk and eggs from the FDA are actually in the top 8 allergens that have been deemed as the biggest allergens. So if they have these, then it's very important to handle it by these companies checking and making sure the consumers have what they need, and to make sure they double check, because they can really get affected if they have a lot of health issues. So the economic impact to the food recall, the impact is on consumers' confidence. The presence of the allergens could make some damage to Trader Joe's because of what happened, and they lose reliability, they lose trust for the company, and they see that the maintenance and the people who manufacture it are not double checking. The consumers are affected by their negligence that may experience immediate harm or discomfort from the products that can cause their allergic reactions. So my group learned a lot. We learned that labels are always not accurate. We should always double check to see the ingredients, and people should always be careful because it could lead to horrible allergies if the packaging contains the undeclared milk and eggs. And then we also have to realize that food supply may not be always safe, and that it can be contaminated very easily throughout the processing journey. And that reading all the ingredients is vital, and if someone has allergies, then they should read the labels and make sure there's errors from their part. The people who package it need to do their job of monitoring. Here's the works cited for the sources that were used, and I would like to thank you for listening.